Hello students, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start the next topic, that is renaming a file or a folder. For doing that, first select the folder, then click the right button of the mouse, go to rename and then give a suitable name to your folder and press enter from the keyboard. Am I clear? How to create a file or a folder. Then we will learn about how to copy a file or a folder. So to copy a file or a folder, first we will just select the folder that is to be copied. After selecting, we will click on the right button of the mouse. From there we will get the copy option. Click on it. Again click the right button of the mouse, then go to paste and you will get a copy of the previous folder. Okay, from 1 it became 2. Now again I will make one more folder, or I will make one more copy of the folder. See what I am doing. I am just selecting the folder that is to be copied. After then I am just clicking the right button of the mouse. From there I am going to the option copy. I have selected the option copy. See, I am selecting the option copy. Then again I am clicking the right button of the mouse. Then I am going to the paste option. So what happened? One more copy of the folder PQR copy came. So now I am having 3 folders. One more folder. Just check one time how I am doing. The name of the folder is PQR. I have selected that folder, then click the right button of the mouse. From there I went to copy. See, after selecting the folder I went to copy by clicking the right button of the mouse. I selected the copy option from the options given. Then after that again I have clicked the right button of the mouse and went to the paste option. So a new folder has been created. So you understood how to create new folders or how to copy a folder. Now let's move to how to move a file or a folder. We can move a file or a folder by using the options cut and copy. By using the options cut and copy. So let's select the folder that we want to move. Okay, first we will select the folder by the left mouse button. By clicking the left mouse button I have selected the folder. Then again I clicked on the right mouse button. Then from there I went to the cut option. See, I will select the cut option. I will select where I want to store it. Then again I have clicked on the right mouse button. After clicking the right mouse button I will get these options. From there I have selected paste. See, my folder has been disappeared. It is not there anymore. So what I have done, first I have used the cut option. Okay, then where I want it to be copied I went there and then I have selected the paste option. See, I am clicking on, I have selected the folder. After selecting the folder I clicked the right button of the mouse. Then I went to cut. Then again where I want it to be copied I went to that folder. I clicked the right mouse button. Then I went to paste. See, this folder has been disappeared. Again and went to the folder PQR. Again the final folder, that is folder 3. I am selecting it. Then I am clicking on the right button of the mouse. From there I am clicking on cut. Now I am clicking on PQR. Again I am clicking the right button of the mouse. Then I am clicking on paste. So the final folder has disappeared and went to folder PQR. See, folder 1, 2, 3 is inside folder PQR. Can you see it? Folder 1, 2, 3 is inside the folder PQR. See, the main folder name is PQR. See, PQR is the main folder name, and inside this folder 3 more folders are there, 1, 2 and 3. Hope you have understood. that how to move a folder from one place to another place. Okay, now we will see how to delete a folder. For doing that, first we will select the folder that is to be deleted. After selecting the folder to be deleted, then we will click the right button of the mouse. From there we will get a delete option. See, we will get a delete option. Just click on the delete option. The folder will disappear. There is one more option to delete the folder. There is one more option to delete the folder. How we can delete the folder in another way, that is just click on the folder or just select the folder to be deleted. Then how we will select the folder? We will select the folder by using the left button of the mouse. We will select the folder by using the left button of the mouse. Then we will go to the keyboard. From there we will just click on the delete option from the keyboard. Our folder will be deleted. Just see, I am selecting the folder by using my left button of the mouse. Okay, we will do selection by clicking the left button of the mouse. After selecting the folder, I will just go to the keyboard. See, after selecting the folder, we will go to the keyboard. How we will select the folder? By clicking on the left button of the mouse. See, look, I have clicked the left button of the mouse and selected the folder. Then I will go to the keyboard. From there I will just click on delete option. See, this is the delete option. I will just click on delete option. My folder disappeared. Did you understood the other way of deleting a folder? Just select the folder using your using the left button of the mouse. Then just go to the keyboard. From there click on the delete option or click the delete key. The folder will disappear. So I hope you have understood that how to delete a file or a folder. Now our next topic is how to search a file or searching for a file. So for doing that, first we will go to my computer. Okay. Then after that, what happens is that we go to the search option. See, when you click my computer, this kind of display you will get. You will get this kind of display when you will click the option my computer from the desktop. Then on the top right corner, you will get the search option. You will type the name of the folder or file that you want to search over that search option. Okay, this is one way of searching a file. There is another way of searching a file. Okay, we can also search a file using search box from which is present in the start menu. We will search a file by using the search box present in the start menu. See, after clicking the start menu, I have got this place where I can search the file or a folder. Our next topic is searching using wildcard characters. For this, I will be giving you another link, so please go through that video to have a better idea or concept about this particular topic. I hope you have liked today's video and you have understood everything. I will be uploading you the question and answers soon. Okay, thank you, take care.